Do you know who really invented the airplane? Airplane exploding head. Many people believe that the Wright brothers invented the airplane. But the truth is, they created the world's first successful powered flight. The earliest idea of a flying machine came from Leonardo da Vinci around 1485. Then many inventors improved the concept. And finally, on December 17, 1903, the Wright brothers changed history forever. The world witnessed the first controlled, powered flight, airplane. Large diamond for more mind-blowing facts. Sparkles follow SmartFactHub.